Guys, so welcome. This is the second part of the video, and we are going to make the togwe. I think everybody call it puff puff. Togwe is called puff puff in English, but today we are going to make togwe. That is what we call in Ghana. So, ma'am, but your ingredients now. What's in here? Actually, ma'am, you need
so, see, I started here. You have flour. Yeah, I am ready. You say, oh, not to sweat the margarine. And now sugar, baking powder, nutmeg, and now a cleansing flavor, pineapple flavor, vanilla, and a walk yeast. No yellow pie. No say, Mama, a salt. No, my dear.
And mama, let me say this: I said flour. It won't be you. It's changing part of you.
It's the hard one, eh? Very.
So what she's saying is that she's using the hard flour. In Ghana, they have soft one and then hard one. The hard one is for the bread and the togwe, and then the soft one is for pies. So if you want to make it so you can tell the difference, guys. Right, okay, so let's get started. Alright guys, so now we have everything ready, so we are going to mix all of them together. So as you can see guys, she said that this stuff right here is the one that gives the togwe the yellow color. Yeah. So after we are done, you guys will see the difference. So this is like food color. It's healthy, it's not nothing at all. So she's going to use it, and this is the bottle just in case if you want some to buy. Yeah, okay, so now we are ready.
You can send 5 cups in your soup. Half a year, right now, I'm seeing bread in
okay. So guys, she's using about a half cup of sugar. So instead of using all of it, yeah, because of the puff doesn't need a lot of sugar, you know. So she's just adding half of it. Now she's adding the nutmeg. Or nutmeg when back put in a tree. Aha, this one, the nutmeg. That's what she add. Okay, so the next one will be the baking. So now she's going to add adding the baking powder. Okay, so just 1 teaspoon of baking powder. She's adding the yeast. She said that this yeast is very strong comparing to the one in abroad, so you have to be very careful. Okay, so she's adding about 1 teaspoon of yeast. Right now she's going to add milk, guys. Remember, she's adding milk. So, are you adding the whole? Okay. So she's adding a little bit of milk, and then salt. Just a pinch of salt, because margarine has salt, so you have to be careful with the salt. There you go. And then she's going to add water right here. And also she's adding the color, the food color. This one is not just ordinary color, it's food color. So she's adding just a little bit, just a pinch of that, just for the color. Okay. When you go and buy your puff puff, you know how it looks like a yellowish type look. I said it with the yellow ashy note. This is what she's doing, and then she's adding the flavor. This is pineapple flavor. And this one is vanilla extract. This is African style vanilla extract. Just a lot of it. So right now she's going to add water. This is about 1 cup of water. She's already added half, so she's adding a little bit. So guys, while I'm getting this ready, she's going to show you how to measure the flour. 5 cups of flour she's using. That is 3. So we're going to add the margarine right now. They said to where we are with you, about today, they said I'm not going to eat you. Wow. So you add a lot of stuff. Now it's ready to be mixed, right? So right now we're going to mix this dough. We're going to form a dough. So we're gonna start by slowly while if it mix, then we go higher as long as it goes. So right now it's on low. I'm gonna put it on 2. And so guys, she's going to try and see if it's okay or you need more, you know, the dough to mix more. But your friend and say okay. So we are going to mix the dough more. Now look at the dough is done. So we are going to cut it and make that puff shape. So now but you'll get me wow, look at that, guys. Wow. See how they make that shape. Wow. Which one? Wow, guys, look at it very careful how she make it. Wow. Can I try one? I can see how you do it.
Which means
how you see? There's a shape. Wow. Alright guys, so now she's done rolling the puff. So right now she's going to arrange it. It's my pacho. Wait till I am here. Okay, so she wanted to rise up, so she's taking the time, you know, to separate them, so when it rises, it doesn't get stuck with each other. So we are going to see how it looks. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Just alright guys, so we have our fire ready, and now we're going to put the pan on the fire, and then we have our pot here, and we're going to fry it. And my brother right here, my man right here, is helping us, you know, to heat up the fire. He heats up the fire, she will add the oil. Yeah, very nice one. And guys, you have to use a lot of oil for this recipe. Like if you want to make puff, you use a lot of oil. Now our oil is nice and hot. So we are going to add our bowl fruits or our puff. So ma add the mama, I'm a mash it. I come up oh papa. Wow. Very authentic way, Nigerian style. Wow. Wow. A brownie fast fire. Wow. So she's frying all of them, and as you can see, guys, so now our toge is done. Mom, but we tell you about more mommy. Aha, so we tell you about more mommy. Not go fast. So guys, this is how the inside look. It looked very nice, and this is how our together looks. So thank you. Hi guys, so now our toge or the puff is finally done. So as you can see, it's looking really nice. And now mom did a very good job with everything. The pie, the toge was really nice. So right now I'm going to take one and I am going to break it and for you guys to see how the inside looks like. So I'm going to take the big one. Guys, bear in mind that this is very hot. We're going to break it and see how this thing is, guys. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Just it. Ghana to Gwe. Oh, Papa Nibini. So guys, I hope you like this recipe. The crunchiness, everything. My idea. So guys, thank you so much for watching and please try our recipe. Leave us a comment and let us know. If you want to subscribe, share, like, and comment.